leads to a strong conclusion that the first accused person murdered the deceased. And therefore, it is the finding of this court that the prosecution has proved beyond reasonable doubt all the ingredients of the offense of murder. The death occurred, the cause of that death, the person who, and in this case the first accused, I'm still on the first accused person, committed that offense, it was not a case of homicide, excusable homicide, it was unlawful. And therefore I find the first accused person guilty as charged herein of the offense of murder, that on the night of 19th of September 2018, at an unknown time at Ramuria Gardens apartment, Kitale Lane off Dennis Bridge, with others known before this court, he murdered Monica Nyawira Kimani. The evidence by the prosecution against the second accused person did not place the second accused person in the house of the deceased on the material night. There was no evidence that she had ever communicated with the deceased. The evidence that the prosecution have brought before this court on the second accused person relates to the events of 20th of September 2018, and that is the shooting incident. And in that regard, having considered the provisions of Section 129 of the Penal Code of Kenya, and the second accused person having had no objection to her two statements which she gave the police, one saying that the second accused person, the first accused, was shot in the house, and then retracting that statement the following day, only leads this court to the provisions of Section 129 of the Penal Code, which states as follows. That Section 128 creates an offense, which is an offense of giving information, false information, to a person employed in public service, and states as follows. Whoever gives to any person employed in public service any information which he knows or believes to be false, intending thereby to cause, or knowing it to be likely that he will thereby cause the person employed in public service A, to do or omit to do something which the person employed in public service ought not to do or omit, if true state of facts respecting which such information is given were known to him, or two, to use lawful power